With a 20-minute runtime on this Hoover cordless vacuum cleaner, you get plenty of cleaning time before needing to recharge. Cyclonic technology utilises a single cyclone separation system, which separates dust from the air that's sucked in, providing deep and powerful cleaning that saves the need for frequent filter maintenance. The ultra-lightweight design weighs just 2.3 kilograms, which makes it easier to carry around your home. Enjoy effortless cleaning whether you're moving from room to room or taking it upstairs. It's ultra-manoeuvrable with a cordless design and integrated handheld option. The versatility makes cleaning convenient, so you can tackle even the most hard-to-reach spots in your home with ease. Keep every corner of your home spotless thanks to the included accessories with this Hoover cordless vacuum cleaner.